Hello guys, this is one of my Redbubble stores. I want to show you how much money I have made on this shop. I made this account around 15 months ago. And have made above 300 sales. 300 sales in 1 year is not a huge number. The reason is that I uploaded only 70 designs on this shop. I uploaded these designs in first 2 or 3 months, and then got busy in other things. Now I am thinking about paying attention to this account too. Anyways, today I will share with you my total earnings, traffic on my shop, how much I made in each month, my strategies, and how you can do the same. Also, we will talk about ups and downs in earnings graph. I uploaded 70 designs, and among those 70 designs, only 32 designs have made sales. Which means that 45% of my designs have made sales, and 55% designs didn't sell even on a single product. I made a total of 332 sales, and out of these 332 sales, I sold 237 stickers, which includes glossy and transparent stickers too. Which means 71% of my sales are stickers. Stickers are the most selling product of Redbubble. Now let's talk about earnings. I made $638 in the past 12 months, and $700 in total. I made $2.10 per sale. That means I need to work on designs for products with high profit margins. As you can see, the sales for each month are pretty inconsistent. Well, that's the case with my every account, and I guess with everybody else too. May 2021 had the lowest number of sales, and December had the highest number of sales. That's because December is the holiday time, and people tend to buy more around Christmas. Although I don't have any Christmas related designs in my shop. The design at the top has 146 sales, which means 43% of my total sales. There is a huge difference between the sales of top 2 designs. And the interesting thing is, I don't think it's my best design. I think I have better designs than this in my shop. You never know which one's gonna sell the best. The first 2 designs are graphic designs, and the bottom 2 are text graphic designs. Have a look at the traffic. I had the highest traffic on my account in January, but made only $32 in January. And I had 3,300 visitors to my shop, which means 1 sale per 10 visitors. Those blue lines that you see at the top of buildings, those are the visitors I got from promoting my designs on social media. Let's talk about sales. I make 1 sale every 2 days on average, and as you know, most of them are stickers. Let's see my profit margins. I have set profit margin of 40% on pin buttons, 100% on stickers, and 25% on every other product. I have 20% on some new products like dog mat and cat mat. So guys, as you can see, even less designs can make sales, if you put quality designs, apply proper tags, and promote your designs. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. And of course, keep creating and hustling. Goodbye, take care.